still lingers in the air. Lonely moonlight wraps around me, leaving emptiness I cannot bear. Under the stars that lost their way, I whisper your name in vain, calling out into the night, but you never come again. They said that time will heal the pain, but every day my heart still stays where you once were. With tears I try to hold your soul on that road where you can't return. I'm still here,